this week's segment of Will It Roll. Before we get into it, just wanted to say thank you to everyone who's tuned in and subscribed to the YouTube channel, everyone who's thrown a like onto our Facebook page, checked out the Instagram, and even those who have bought t-shirts from me over the last couple weeks. It's much appreciated. So I've gone ahead and created a discount code that'll give you free shipping on select items through my merchandise store. You can find a link to the merch store down below in the comments. I'm going to try to magically put in the discount code right here. If that doesn't work, you'll see that in the comments as well. So thank you once again to everyone who's subscribed, everyone who's taken time out of their days to watch my videos, and hopefully you keep coming back. So we had such a blast with last week's Will It Roll that I decided to keep it equally crazy this week. I'm not entirely sure what's going to happen when we throw raw eggs on the egg roller, so I went up and set the egg roller up outside again, just in case things get a little bit too crazy like it did last week. But we've got a dozen large grade A eggs here. Oh, I lied, I had a couple for breakfast this morning, but either way, we still have a good amount of eggs here. I'm going to throw a few of them on the roller, crank it up as high as it'll go, set the cameras up, and take a safe position and watch and see what happens. So once again, thanks for tuning in. Hit subscribe. I think there should be a button like somewhere right over in here towards the end of the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do. I release an episode every week, and occasionally I'll have some bonus footage to throw up as well. But here we go. Will it roll? So, not quite the result we were hoping for from the hot dog roller and the eggs. We're going with our safety first here. Putting these heat-resistant gloves on, powering down. We got this cold bucket of water that hopefully a couple eggs might break in, but I have another plan here to get our desired results. Wondering if these are hard-boiled now. Alright, so not quite the result we were expecting from the hot dog roller, or at least I was expecting. I was kind of hoping it would act like a microwave and make the egg explode eventually, but after about 45 minutes on there, no such luck. So I think we may have ended up with hard-boiled eggs, or something to that effect, so we'll find out here. And it looks like we have partially cooked eggs, burnt right down the middle. And they smell awful. But as you'll find out, when I make a promise, I have to stick to it. I wanted these eggs to explode, so now it's time to rig these eggs up so they'll explode. Waterproof explosives. You can see what we're going for. So anyway, this is our plan. Let's take it outside and see what we can do with some assistance.